Our honoree will now travel with Worshipful Tony for a Masonic poem named I See You Troublesome.
I got my doubt back. You ready to travel, worshipful sir? Let's go. Wherever you may chance to be, wherever you may roam, far away in foreign land, or just in a home, sweet home, it always gives you pleasure. It makes your heart string hum when you hear the word of kiss. I see in the troubles. When you get a brother's greeting and he takes you by the hand, brings you with a feeling that you cannot understand. That band of brotherhood, that ties that should come. When he says, in a friendly way, I see your troubles.
Howard, in my opinion, you should have received this award a long time ago, and I am glad that you are finally recognized for your efforts, for your service to Acacia Lodge, and to Freemasonry in general. May you continue to serve our lodge and Freemasonry in the future. Congratulations, my friend.
And when you are a stranger in a strange land all alone, if fate left you stranded, dead, broken, and far from home, it thrills you, it makes you numb. When he's in the grip of fellowship, I see you troublesome.
My heartfelt congratulations, worshipful brother Howard Wong, on receiving the Hiram Award. Your unselfish dedication and tireless effort for the lodge are a true inspiration to us all. May your example continue to light the way for others to follow. Again, congratulations, my brother.
And when your final summons come, to take the last long trip, adorned with lambskin apron white and gems of fellowship, the Tyler at the Golden Gate, with square rule and plumb, will size up your pin and say, walk in, I see you troubles. Worshipful Sir, it is my honor to present the Hiram Awardee for Acacia Lodge number 246, Worshipful Brother Howard Wong.
Thank you, Worshipful Tony.